Welcome to the best townhouse.
Mike, I found it.
From what?
The pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Come on. Huge laundry here. You could do your ironing. Just don't iron your 4-leaf clover. You don't want to press your luck.
What's 4-leaf clover?
Hey,
Why are you dancing, Byron?
do you seriously not get it?
Upstairs is huge, Byron. 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, with a beautiful lounge area, and look at the beautiful views outside, mate.
Wow, to be sure, to be sure.
Why you talk like that? Byron, what's wrong with you today?
You still don't get it, Mike. Ireland Street. You know, Irish, pot of gold, leprechaun.
Oh, you are talking about this.